Stop checking my status. Go get a life. Burn your ego before it burn you. The two most powerful variables are patience and time. Every pain gives a lesson and every lesson changes a person. Burn your ego before it burn you. Life has no limitations except the ones you make. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Your life only gets better when you get better. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you shall start having positive results. Thanks for watching Blue Chajmal 408 YouTube channel.